But it has that very tense loop jump to it. You see my other video where I had the 93mm tubes or injection lines. I mean, it was, when you put it in drive, it will go into that lope mode. So I'm gonna just put it in gear so you can hear it. Okay, I know you guys heard it when I put it in drive. It had a little more of that lope tune jiggle on the idling. So for me, I like it because it's on the tinge of doing it, because when it's doing it complete lope, it's just too rough. And when I put it in gear, sometimes it turns off the engine. So this did a little milder with the 84mm injection lines. All right, guy, I'm gonna send this away to you and into everybody else that's watching my channel on YouTube. All right, take it easy.